Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the theme color in Weebly. This is a fantastic way to personalize your website's appearance and ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand identity or aesthetic preferences. Let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in successfully, you'll land on your Weebly homepage where you can manage all your websites and projects. Now take a look at the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on that to access your site management area. Right beneath the website option, you'll find Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to proceed. This will show you a list of all the websites connected to your account, so you can choose which one you'd like to modify. Select the website you want to edit from the list. Once you've made your selection, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to open the editor page for your chosen website. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll have full control over your site's design and content. Now that you're in the editor, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you need to find and click on the Theme option. This section controls the overall visual style of your website, including colors and layout preferences. Once you click on Theme, you'll notice there's an option to choose between light or dark mode. This setting allows you to select the base theme that best suits your website's vibe. Pick whichever one resonates with your design goals. Next, you'll see a color options section. This is where you can pick specific colors for your theme elements. Browse through the available color choices and select the one that matches your brand or personal preference. These preset colors make it easy to maintain a cohesive look across your entire site. For even more customization, look at the last color option. This one allows you to fully customize and create your own unique color. You can choose any shade you want, giving you complete creative freedom to make your website truly one of a kind. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your theme color in Weebly, giving your website a fresh, personalized look that represents your style perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.